through now. Where I go, Denny? Hey, Sparrow!
Sparrow.
Link up Sparrow right now. Where I go, Denny? Where I go? Christian? I go buy some food. Where I go buy? Where you intend?
I go buy where you are go buy. That's where I go buy.
You have pay for it? You have money?
Me have money. Of course, you can't go Christian and have money.
You empty out the big bag?
Yes. Then I eat something for carry.
Yeah, man. I'll get some callaloo and some... Where I go get? Callaloo and... Okra and... Fish?
Yeah.
A fish you eat?
No, man, fish, man.
You eat the pork?
No, sir.
You don't eat the pork?
We eat hog.
You eat hog?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a hog man. How long you in Manchester?
Man, I'm ready now.
Eh? Oh, so you know Denny too?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You go to school, stitch them in a bigger grade than me.
Eh?
Me in a grade 9, they must in a grade 11.
Okay.
Yes.
Hog. Love the hog. You can the pork.
How do you look?
You can the pork with the callaloo.
Yeah.
Lord God, the pork skin, man. We'll get a little bit of pork skin, you know. I'm putting in the callaloo. Hey, Stitchy, we need some real coconut oil. The real thing. Them sell it at the market. Me not talk about now.
Yeah, man.
The liquid when you pour it, it slowly run down your foot. Yeah, man. Supermarket, but one go. No man, not at the market will sell it. Okay.
Like supermarket, you sell.
Yeah, we're going to see one is sleep.
Yeah.
I sleep.
Okay. So Elder, so this man live here for a long time.
Yes, yeah,
Elder. Yes, man. Blessings.
Yeah, 76 years old.
76. How you grew up all the cow them run here, sir?
No.
And a cow, where you plant?
Yeah,
See you.
my God.
You see you?
Yeah. Manchester life, you know. Jamaica Good Life, we say. I want to live the good life around here, sir, you know.
Well, go on. Out there run there. And then a seatbelt and all these things.
Set up in a seatbelt, right?
Yeah.
Good life, Jamaica. Stitchy, you in a seatbelt? You know, front seat in a seatbelt?
Seatbelt.
Yeah.
You know, no come and pick your door.
You,
Too big for seatbelt.
that's what you tell the police then?
No more. So big.
Yes, Manchester. So, oh,
Is that from Manchester?
yeah, man, I don't know some grow up on thing. Yeah, man, I come Manchester, I come from, man. Manchester, I love. You know. But I grew up in St. Mary too. So all day you run the taxi for the what time you go bed?
9.
9 p.m.
Yeah, man.
What time you wake up?
4:30.
And you work from
We'll get up and clean up. We care 4:30 till 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock you left out?
Yeah, man.
Till 9? Well, you can buy me a drink, man.
We care matter.
Eh?
Work enough my car.
Yeah, I know your car.
Yeah,
So you have to pay back the car, man.
yeah.
How much you pay, man, a week?
Depends. On the bus, you know, some bus 120, some 18.
Yeah. A week?
Yeah, man.
That's I near 800 US at a month, you know.
Week, month.
I say you have to pay that. And then whatever left you have for all that.
Yes, that's true.
You see me? I same thing in a Cape Town, Africa, you know. About the same thing them pay for rent the car them from the man them, you know. So how long you drive?
We go and drive, you know.
From what?
We go and drive.
How long you drive the taxi?
You know, so I could tell them in about 5 years now, me know.
Okay. You have youth?
Man,
How much?
one zoom ban.
Oh, congrats, man. How
One
old?
zoom ban again.
Oh.
2 zoom ban.
Wait. Are two different women that?
Yeah.
Lord God, man. A 14 you get?
Yeah. And the last one, 22.
Well, you never did spend no time planting. I mean, I work on one. A woman, how long you work for? Stitch, you come here have two baby born at the same time.
What man?
I said the man that man go on down here, sir.
Yeah, pick it up. Oh!
Stitchy, so where you say when I go born when?
Well, I'm going to tell them to make some babies. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I tell you, you have to work hard, man. You need another job.
I will tell you.
But I tell you.
Pim!
Where you
Where's the
say?
stitch come from?
Oh, that's the stitchy come from.
I'm going to pay towns there, you know?
Eh?
Tell them not that.
Your name Nata?
Yeah, man. Feel like a young girl.
Well, I tell you. So the life out of Jamaica nice though, even though it's tough,
You can't carry a
right?
woman. You have to take up man.
Come on. Go back to your boss. Come on, say that.
You couldn't take up on south side woman. You have to take up on south side man.
One on the money, one in broke.
I eat that man.
You
You
have to
get
give it.
Yes, sir.
I'll go on there, run.
This is
Drive through Manchester. Manchester. This? Yeah, yeah.
Suchilani over this.
So the same thing.
That bad out there too much. I'm not
So no stay up on phone side.
No live summer.
Nobody no fling stone at you no.
No, sir.
From over the other side. We never go war yet. For them yam better than phone no.
No.
But Chilani wicked pan the yam you know.
Yeah, but they plan more than Manchester.
You must keep the yam never use in bowl eat you know, cause something go on in for them yam when I go on the way. Them serious about them yam man. Breadfruit tree them young. Them not be here. So when you're 14 you with them there? Eh? Them all gone abroad? Them send money for your thing? What you say man? Stitch you about 14 you go for too?
20 more, I was 14.
At 20 you want? You love kids?
Kids love me, no?
Kids love you.
Kids love me, I love them.
Manchester business. When you? So it's a nice river?
Yeah, man.
The big?
Yes.
Spring near Mother Spring near Mother Flow.
So is there a way you can drive, go check the river?
Yeah, you got to try. Yeah, man.
No, man, you talk the Full River. Terrible Full River. That's why you can't even walk around there.
So you drive close and then walk?
You will jump off and swim, man.
Someone can't swim.
There's some strong woman there in Manchester, you know. Pay yam the meat and thing. your girlfriend ever fight you yet?
Who is that?
You.
Me?
Eh.
Look for me.
Cause the one them run your fight, man, me hear you know them. Oh, worry, I'm on Manchester.
Listen, me baby.
Yeah, man. Me tell you,
Because again, when we come down there, we can't look something, but
Just call it.
me not see.
in the past, only go give. We didn't beat class out here.
Alright, make
So
you
as
stop.
soon as he start
Yeah, calm me down
you
there.
down there, me I go make you know. You not go left.
No, man, down me there, man.
Alright, me I'll tell you, make you rush with you one early morning.
Alright.
Which one of them ripe? The pumpkin them?
Right?
Yeah, which one good?
You
All
don't
of
have
them?
any right one.
All
This
them?
man fit, all of them.
All of them fit?
Yeah, man. Anyone you want. I want 50 a pound, me baby.
Get that one there.
Anyone you want, baby. They are like that. St. Elizabeth pumpkin in a red soil.
Get that one there, Denny.
Which one?
That one there. And 3 coconut.
And 3 coconut.
Yeah. Then we can put them in the bag, you know?
Yeah, man.
Come, baby. You just put it inside. Yes, ma'am.
And give me a bungalow of the kidney, please.
Yeah. I two bungalow you see, I get him back to you.
Alright, give me 2 bungalows. Why your cabbage them little?
No, they're not little at all. Me no get to them yet, me no much
I mean, I tell you, them not look too right.
Wow, the cabbage. Oh,
Look
God
like-
almighty, if you know more $1,000 of this.
No, man. No, don't touch it. Me don't want it. No.
I true,
But I seen for cabbage. Also. We go cabbage before.
Oh, me
Okra.
the okra and the tomato and the guinea. You know what I forgot what you want.
We didn't say tomato?
Yes, it's a 2 pound of tomato.
Alright. But you remember everything, eh?
And I must remember, you know I make you trouble my brain say cabbage no good.
Yeah, man. No, we cabbage.
$1,000.
them
$100, darling. That cabbage is $1,000.
Yeah. I'm on the better.
Skelly, you can't go around this and just take it up, please.
Give me the little okra them now. Don't give me no tough okra now. If you can't go through my teeth, don't give it to me.
Me have to weigh you. I'm on half full. $100 for them. That's more than half. Me no eat that, baby. Me know me load. $100 for them. Plenty of things that when you see that you come from other parish here. Not no there Manchester here.
You said nothing of them Manchester.
Not no there. I sat them and see people walk and look green banana for buy. He said what? And what there you left farm road.
Am I hot here?
Not no there
You
see
want
for
your hat
buy.
and put on my hat?
Anything when you see
No,
there,
no,
you
man,
just
put
put
on
it
some.
Give me the hat, man. I'm not giving enough, man.
I'm not taking me this away.
Thank you,
No,
Alright.
you give me my hat.
No, if you got the suggestion, you ain't no come down the start. Let me see you.
You know everything.
Oi!
Me I sell you.
See the your hand good.
Me I tell you, say me I sell it. So me know what I go and have me I tell you. Two bunch of guinea now. And that's it.
Yes, man.
Bertie, you want cabbage?
No, I'm good, man. No push my future. Don't push my future.
Look now.
You're pushing my
So you
future.
don't like them and me are telling me you want
Me see
cabbage.
it already, you know. Me see more than you see, you know. You're pushing my future. You're pushing my future.
Okay.
Wait
We
there.
not make so bad.
Make a move.
That's true.
What's the total?
What's your point of with this?
Pumpkin $1,050.
1,000 for this?
$1,050, 150.
Alright. Let me just get half. One of them half.
All right.
You see me? Thank you. Yeah, man.
No, triple.
You like how they cut that? Why you cut that and look so old, man?
No, I don't want to have you ready.
Okay, alright. Look like one drop. Me only take two, cause one drop. That's how the spirit of work this, so sorry. Me take two, sorry. Alright. Total milk now.
I can take up other one and a white top now.
No, man.
Take up different one.
I don't like that, you know, that cut and
Them are good. You say no one no more.
We good. I like them too, alright?
So much up, you know.
Set me up nicely.
That's a $400.
You coconut them.
And this at 600. 6 and 3, 9. 9 and 1, 10,000. 1450. 14, 15. 1600, 150. 16 and 4, 2000. 2002.
What's the total?